Winter fishing in Louisiana can be slow, but if you read the water, it still produces. Usually, down here, saltwater and freshwater are never far apart. What matters most is movement, temperature, and patience. You always have to be observant of the outside elements and what's happening with the fish. Fish are always down there. It just depends on where they're congregating, especially during the cold weathers. To be a real fisherman, you don't need a boat, and you don't need all that fancy gear. Me and my brethren, we go outside. We don't have no boat. We usually do bank fishing. Sometimes we do have the opportunity to go on the boat because of our friends we know.
Oh, God. Look what Sloan hit on the hand motherfucking line. Remember now, you just reach the back of the gills. As you touch the back by the gill, and he's gonna, bring your hand like this underneath here, right? And you lift him right up out the water. That's your fish right there. Grab him, he's a big bitch. Yeah, hold him down, let him slow up, yeah. And then you just bring your hand underneath the bottom of him, right by the gill, reach with your knuckles, grab him underneath there. You got him, hold him as strong as you can. That's a man. Bring him up on land. That man said that's his personal best with the hand fucking line. I caught the small one earlier, and this the one he caught. Blessed love, Sloan. Past tail. How you mean?
We caught some big fish on the hand line today. Used mullet to catch the redfish and used some shrimp to catch this black drum. Now it's time to go put something on the grill.
You see that water start bubble? Once the oil start bubble, we're ready to...
After eating a few pieces of fish that we had caught earlier today, we ended up cleaning the rest. We had 3 more black drums to clean. This one here ended up being alive. It's pretty amazing to see a fish being alive like this after maybe 3 or 4 hours being out of the water. We just put it on ice to freeze it, and we threw it back in the water to soften it up before we, filleted it and everything. But thanks for watching the video. Remember to like and subscribe. This is Ripping Lips. And remember, we go catching, not fishing.